If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hi Photos photographers. Today for our challenge video, we are going to be talking about your challenge of this week, which is product photography, and specifically that product I want you to gather, to find, or if you want to go out and buy one, that's fine. If you want to find something around your house to use, that's fine too. But I want you to, whether it's actually filled with or not, I want you to find a perfume or cologne bottle. I want you to see about filling it with the color. Perhaps you color water. If it's an empty bottle, you color the water of what the perfume was or should be, or what you think it would have been if it's empty. And once the bottle is empty, then you refill it with that color liquid. So it makes sense to create the look and the feel of a product that is potentially for sale, and to then set that in an environment which would then be suited for selling, and then create the ambiance, the desire for the specific audience that item is being sold to. So this specific is a product photography challenge. Any photographer is capable of participating in this shoot, and in fact, I find that participating in imaging other industry photographs helps me better achieve the look, feel, desire, and the emotion being created for what I typically shoot every day, all day. So I know you might say, well, Joe, you told us before you're doing stock photography, so there's no image that's out of bounds for you for what you do. And while maybe that's true, there are things that I will never shoot. But the truth of the matter is, every image we take is all about selling us, right? Selling our photos to sell, or selling our talent, our skill, our time to being able to shoot a specific product, item, or portrait for the person that's buying that item from us. So product photography, really, it just depends on what the product is, right? The product may change, but we're still in product photography overall. And really and truly, we're overall, every one of us in sales, that never changes either. We're selling something, whether it's our skill, our time, our talent. We're looking to sell somebody, so we need to work on improving our sales ability. So, product photography challenge today is perfume or cologne bottle. Have fun with it. Don't let yourself get discouraged. Do a little bit of advanced studying to see kind of the style, the feel, the look of the shoot that you want to do. Perhaps you want to take a look at the ads of current cologne or perfume ads and see maybe something that you want to incorporate into your shot. Have fun with it and learn from it. Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to seeing your comments and how this has helped you learn and grow, and seeing the likes of this video so that other people can see it. Thank you so much. If you're not yet a subscriber, we would look forward to your subscription and adding you to our Photos family. Thank you so much. God bless.